Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to use capital letter on your Facebook name. For this you have to go to your browser and type mbasic.facebook.com and then log into your Facebook. Once you log in, scroll down to the end and tap on settings and privacy. After that you have to tap on personal and account information. Once you tap on, you will see this interface, and after that you have to tap on edit, and then you see, let's try first this way. Oh sorry, I typed my first name wrongly. Okay, here it is, Saem. Okay, now tap on review change. Oh no, it didn't come up properly, so let's try another way. Okay, here what you have to do is you have to type a small letter first and then capital letter for all the remaining letter. For surname you have to do the same, small letter and then capital letter. Okay, here it is. Now tap on review change. Here it is, you see, your name has changed as you wanted to do. Now you have to enter your password and check save, tap on save changes, and once you tap on save changes you cannot change your name within next 60 days, so be sure before you change your name, because once you will change it you cannot rechange your name in next 60 days. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.